How to fix Outlook not showing new emails. So here I am in the Outlook application, and the first thing that you need to check if your Outlook is not showing new emails is your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi or to an internet connection, and make sure that Wi-Fi is connected to the internet. So that's the first thing that you need to check, and then if you see that you are already connected to an internet but your Outlook is not showing the new emails, what you can do is that you can sync your emails right here so that it will be updated. So to do that, you can just go right here to view, and then there will be an option right here called sync. So as you can see, you can sync sent and received email. So you can go ahead and click on that, and then there will be a banner right here that says syncing, and then you just need to wait for that to finish, and then now you should receive your new emails right here. And then you can also do this in the classic version of Outlook. So right now we are using the new version of Outlook, so let me open the classic version right here. So from here, if you are also not receiving new emails, what you can do is that you can go right here to the send and receive tab, and then click send and receive all folders. So this will basically do the same thing. So it will sync all of your sent emails and received emails so that it will show your new emails right here at the top. So just click and receive all folders, and then you just need to wait for that to finish. And then after it's finished, your new emails should now be received right here in your inbox. And then that is basically it. So make sure you do the solutions that I've shown you. And if you already did the solutions that I have shown you earlier, what you can do next is that you can repair Outlook. So to do that, go right here to search, and then search for installed applications. So just click installed apps. Your Windows settings will appear right here. Then right here in the search bar, search for Outlook. From here is the Outlook application. We can click the three dots right here, click advanced options, and then from here we can scroll down. Then there will be a button right here for repairing the Outlook application or resetting it. So let me just close Outlook first because we need to close this in order for it to work. And then let's try and click repair. And then now the Outlook application should now be repaired, and then you can go ahead and open the Outlook application to see if you are now receiving new emails. So if you are still not receiving new emails, what you can do is that you can reset the application. So keep in mind that if you do this, the application's data will be deleted. But don't worry, all that you need to do is that you just need to log in to your Outlook account again so that you can access it. And then that is basically it. So those are the things that we can do to fix Outlook not showing new emails. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.